If you are looking for a single day escape from Tokyo, then Misaki Port and Jogashima Island can be a very good choice for you. Both these places have lots of attractions and experiences to explore, and a single day trip is enough to cover all those stops. I did the same as well, but for your convenience, I divided my day trip to two parts. And in today's part, I will share the guide to explore Misaki Port area clearly. And at the end of the vlog, I will rent a bicycle and start my journey to Jogashima. And in my next vlog, I will cover the guide to travel Jogashima Island. Anyway, let's start the first part of my journey. So, as usual, the first question, how to go to the Misaki Port? To go there, you need to ride on Keikyo line from Shinagawa station heading to Misakiguchi station. The ticket price is around 950 yen for one-way trip. But Keikyo line has an around 3,500 yen Misaki Maguro pass, which includes a round-trip ticket from Shinagawa station, unlimited bus ride option inside Miura area for a day, one meal from 32 selected restaurants, and one laser activity, which in total becomes a value of around 6,500 yen. But I was little unfortunate because when I went there, the pass wasn't available to prevent the spread of coronavirus. So I got into a regular Keikyo line train to Misakiguchi. And after around 75 minutes of train ride, I reached Misakiguchi station. Right now I'm in Misakiguchi station, and from here my plan is to take a bus to Misaki Port Fish Market, which is the largest tuna catching port of the Japan. And if available, then maybe from there I will also take Nijiro Sakanago, which is the underwater sightseeing boat of Misaki Port. But I'm not sure if it is available or not, because I didn't get the Misaki Meguro one day pass for COVID situation. But whatever it is, let's take the bus and go. Around 20 minutes of bus ride took me to the Misaki Port. Since I didn't have Misaki Maguro pass, so I had to pay 305 yen for the bus ride. After around 15 minutes of bus ride from Misakiguchi station, I reached to Misaki Ko or Misaki Port station. And I am in now Misaki Port. From there, my plan was to take the Nijiro Ko, I mean the underwater sightseeing boat. But I'm not sure either whether I'm early or not, or maybe for COVID situation the boat is now closed. I'm not sure. I will ask someone. So if it works, then definitely I will take the underwater bus, and if it doesn't work, then I will take some fresh food from here, and then we'll head for Jogashima Island. But I was lucky because I got the Nijiro Sakanago or underwater sightseeing bus. It was more or less 30-minute trip, and the ticket price was only 1,000 yen. I am very lucky because today they are operating the boat, and that's why I got it. But mask is mandatory because of the COVID situation. I have no problem because this is for good, right? And here, this is the part for the underground. The boat ride was simply awesome, and the fun part was that I was the only passenger of the boat. There, I talked to Tomoki-san, who works for this boat. He was trying to feed the eagles, and I also tried with him. At the same time, I also tried to see the underwater scene from the underwater part of the ship. After around 20 minutes, we reached a place where fishes come to eat. Motte-san, who was one of the crews of the ship, started feeding the fishes. And the fishes were also seen from the hull of the ship, and I didn't miss that view as well.
Now I will see the fish from the underwater. That we wanted to say that the underwater. Oh! Sugoi!
The captain Hayama-san, Tomoki-san and Motte-san, everyone was super friendly to me. And that's why I also didn't miss talking with them about this area.
Now we reached at the middle of the ocean, and I will ask the captain about the place. So, この場所についてちょっと言ってください。何でも OK。
三浦の
はい。
綺麗な海。
OK です。So Miura's beautiful ocean is saying.
Beautiful ocean. Yeah.
And it's really beautiful. The place, the
お魚の多い海。
and there are lots of fishes in the ocean. Tomoki-san is saying.
キャプテン葉山仁志葉山。
Hitoshi Hayama-san, the captain of the ship. And
持ってる。
Motte-san? Motte-san. はい。今日は本当に
ありがとう。
優しい。日本人は多分大体みんな優しい。
ありがとう。よかった、喜んで楽しかった。
はい、ありがとうございます。はい。
Anyway, after around 30 minutes, our ship returned to the Misaki port, and the very enjoyable journey finally finished. The next place I visited was Urari Fish Market. This place is very famous for raw tuna fish. But since I was in a running trip, so I couldn't buy raw tuna fish. Instead of tuna, I bought some dry snacks and fish chips from some shops.
これ2つだったらね、
はい
800円で4負け。これ何？本当は1080円。おせんべい。このおせんべい美味しい。2つで800円でいい。
このまま食べる？
そう、そのまま食べる。そう、そのまま食べるから美味しい。
美味しいですか？
美味しい。これすごく美味しいよ。
So I just explored the Urari fish market, which is a very common place to visit in Misaki port. Now I will go find some restaurant to eat some fresh food items, maybe sashimi or tuna sushi. Finally I decided a place. It's just behind the Urari fish market. The name of the place is Shichibei Maru, and I will try the famous maguro fish item of Misaki port. Let's see how good it is.
Basically, maguro is the Japanese name of tuna fish, and I ordered a maguro item. But it also included some other fishes, rice, miso soup, etc. And I ate a really heavenly awesome meal. So, the lunch is done. Now it's time to rent a bicycle for a day, which costs around 1600 yen.
So I am going to Jogashima Island right now. This is the view of the Miura area. The view of the road is simply mind-blowing. And today was rainy day, that's why I chose this day. For 1 week I was waiting for this day, because in the Google weather I saw that today will be a rainy day, and that's why the weather is, oh my god, there is no sun, only the rain. Maybe the only problem I will face, that I cannot see the Mount Fuji from Jogashima Island since it's cloudy everywhere. But still, in terms of the weather, I must say I'm happy. It was the best decision to come here today.
So this is the end of my half day covering the beauty of Misaki Port area, and I will start my next vlog from the entrance of Jogashima Island. Till then, stay tuned and also don't forget to subscribe me. Happy traveling.